Hi, family. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Oforiwa. If you are new here for the very first time, I want to say welcome. And if you are old and coming back, I want to say welcome and thank you so much for coming back. This space I'm showing you guys, it is my dining room. I'm just showing you guys the before and after. But today we are going to be decorating this space. So we are going to be starting it, bringing in a lot of colors. I really wanted this space to be very cozy, warm, and also relaxing. It is a dining room. So we are going to be starting it today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. This is my final decorate with me for the year 2025 Christmas decorating. So go ahead and enjoy the video. Let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, family. So this is the before of my dining room that we are gonna be decorating today. As you can see, this wall wasn't completed, and I and my husband we went ahead and complete this wall with this beautiful brown and black wall panel that we got from Home Depot. When I make over this space, a lot of you guys make an objection that we should go ahead and finish this wall, and we did. And I can say that I am so in love with it. We're going to go ahead and start to clean up this space before we jump into decorating. If you are here for the very first time, whenever I'm decorating, I always love to start with cleaning. That just gave me peace of mind knowing that I am decorating my space with a clean slate, or I'm decorating my space being clean. So I always love to go down and wipe down all of the surfaces. And now we're going to move on to decorating this Christmas tree. I have these burgundy ribbons that I pick up some of it from Ross and Home Goods this year, and I have been using it nonstop. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start to put it in a Christmas tree. I didn't have a lot, so I used what I had. I wish I had more of it because I really wanted to put a lot of the ribbon in this Christmas tree. I just love the colors in this room. The burgundy against the brown, it is just gorgeous. But we're gonna go ahead and decorate the tree. I have these ornaments. They need to be tied, so I'm gonna go ahead and tie them. So the ornament I'll just show you guys that I'm putting on the tree right now, it is from Ross. I really love the deep, rich burgundy on these, and I love like the shine and boast the matted one. So I went ahead and just put it from Ross. So pretty with the gold. And all right, family. So most of these ornament I'm adding on this tree. Some of it I got them from Walmart, Ross, Home Goods, but most of them are from Walmart and Ross, and also Happy Lobby this year. And I went ahead and finished up decorating the tree. We're gonna just go ahead and start to decorate. This console table used to be behind my chair, but I took it out and put it in here because I moved my buffet console table to the other side of this room. And I really wanted this wall to really show. I didn't want anything black in it, so I decided to just put something small on the back. But after the Christmas, I will be working on this room. I still have some things that need to be done in here, and then I will be completed. But until then, let's just focus on decorating this room. So the lamp is from Home Goods, the console table Home Goods, the vase Home Goods, the stems, which is the Christmas stems, are from Home Goods, and these mini nativity sets are from Marsha, and I really love to decorate with these during the Christmas season. And this year I got two of them. And now we're moving on to the other side of my dining room. I'm starting in this vase that I got from Home Goods. Around it, I add a red um ribbon to just tie in the red and the burgundy. And then the tree I'm putting in there, I got that from Hobby Lobby this year. And then this lamp I share with you guys during the springtime. I got this from Home Goods. I really love lamp. The black and the brown really ties in and it go with the rest of the room. And these two deer are from Ross. I told you guys, you don't sleep on Ross. Ross do have some really good goodies that you can find, some hidden gem. And then this book is from Home Goods, and this marble heavy bowl that I'm putting there is from Ross. And this bowl is so heavy, and I'm just filling it up with this Walmart um ornament. It is on a string. I got it last year. I love to use it as a bowl filler, but I wasn't really feeling it, so I brought in some texture by adding in some um popcorn. I think that's how you call it. And then on the other side, I brought in this book and I add in this candle. It smell amazing. Again, I love to sprinkle green here and there when I'm decorating. And then I'm gonna add this beautiful garland that I cut into two. I got these many years ago from Home Goods, but this year I did saw it and they brought it back. So it is so gorgeous, but it was just way too long. So I call it, I have two of it. I start one of it on top of my kitchen window for the Christmas, and this one I just decided to cut it into two because I really wanted this place to be fit up. And then this beautiful table runner came from Target during the fall season, but I did not use it, so I'm using it now for Christmas. I really wanted to add in some checker or something different in this space. So I'm bringing in this my Walmart garden that I pick up. This year I pick up four of them, but I'm just using one in here just to kind of like set the table for what I'm about to do. I really wanted some greenery in the middle of it. And now I'm adding in these black candle holders that I pick up from Ross this year during the spring season. And then I'm bringing in these bow tie candlesticks. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on the table and add in some candles, and that was it. I'm tying in gold, burgundy, red. As you can see, my dining room already have a touch of black here and there. So yeah. So I went ahead and put the candles in. And now I'm adding in these stems that I got from Target last year during the Christmas season. They are so pretty. They are these berries and they are so gorgeous. But this year, the one that came out with is more redder than this one that I have from last year. And then I'm adding in some tea light, some LD candle battery operated, just because of this have that round thing on the top of it. I cannot put a real candle in there. And then now I'm adding in this placemat that I got from Home Goods last year, or this year. I'm sorry. I think this was during this spring season. I got this, and I really love this. This is bringing in some texture, and then these chargers are from the dollar store with the gold ring around it. And then I'm adding in these plates that my sister-in-law sent for me from Europe. It have a gold ring around it too. It looked like vintage and also giving me that modern vibe that I'm going for in this space. And then it comes with teacups. It have the whole set, but I'm only using the plate and the bowl. And this is what I'm gonna be using. The napping ring and the napkins are from Home Goods. And then I love this napping because it have like this red detailing around it. You guys know how I feel about scallop detailing, so I had to get this one, and this one was from last year, but I'm just gonna use it again because I love it so much. I tried to find another one that worked this year, but I couldn't find something that I really love, so I came back to this to put it on, and it looks so pretty. It tied in the space really good. All right, family. So this beautiful glasses with the pearl on it, I got it from Ross, and I'm adding in this burgundy pre-tie rib bowls that I got from Amazon, and I'm just using the gold to attach it with it. So what I did was, with the pearls coming all the way down onto the glasses, I just kind of go between one of the pearls to kind of attach the gold on this ribbon, and it looks so gorgeous. I really wanted to dress it up more because the glasses is already dressed up. I know Ross, it is dressed for less, but you can also dress your home on a budget from Rose. Rose do have a lot of good things. This is not sponsored at all, but I really love to I'm here to help us to create a home that is so beautiful, but also on a budget. So whenever I find a place that is very interesting with a lot of good things, I love to share with you guys. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put up my star for the show. I'm putting up the star over the tree, and that star is from Home Girls, and I'm just tying in this little corner. I used to have this in front of my entranceway, and a lot of you guys was worried about like it was gonna flip over and the kids might run into it. So I changed it. More than one person said something, you gotta listen. So I went ahead and lit up the candles, and this is how the space turned out. I am so happy with this space. I am so overjoyed. And this tree, it is originally from Home Depot, but my boss was the one that gave it to me, and she owned it for years before she passed it down to me. So every year I love to bring it out and just know that somebody gave this to me and I get to start it. But anyway, this is how everything turned out. I gave you guys both the day view and the night view so you guys can see how the space looked in the day and how it looked in the nighttime. But this is how my space turned out. I'm so happy with it. I want you guys to let me know what you think about the space and what you think about completing the wall panda. It is originally from Home Depot, like I told you guys, and we used the total of four, but we cut some of it off. So just for measurement, if you guys are wondering, it is 96 inches long and 48 inches wide. So for measurement, again, I just want you guys to know the real measurement. And thank you all so much for sticking with me for the year 2025. This is my final Christmas decorate with me. I will see you guys next year of 2026. Have a Merry Christmas and have a blessed day. Have fun, be safe out there, and be kind. I love you all so much, and bye.